Hello, boys and girls. It is another edition of KinderLesson from home. Today, all you need is our new math worksheet. It's called Addition to 20. Yes, that's right. We're going to do some math today. Your parents have this worksheet on their computer. All you need to do is ask them to print it out. They will give it to you. Grab a pencil, find a quiet place to start, and we can have our lesson. Now, before we start today, I want to point out that this lesson is a little bit different than the others. This is an adding lesson or addition to 20 lesson. What that means is that we're going to take one number, we're going to put it together with another number and see what bigger number they make together. We'll be taking the number symbols, counting them, and then adding them together. I bet you can do this at your house. Oh, and I'm so sure you're going to have a lot of fun that I brought one of my friends along so we could all do it together. Our Mr. Abacus from the classroom. As you guys know, it's one of my favorite items to use in the classroom, and we will be using it today to help us count these numbers. But before we get started, name on your paper. First thing, always start your letters at the top, at the top. Good job, everyone who's starting their letters for your name at the top and coming down. Now we're ready for the first box. Let's find it. Can you find the box that has 7 plus 10? 7 plus 10. Here's the equal sign. On this side, there's nothing because that's where we're going to put the new number after we add these numbers together. Let's try it with Mr. Abacus right now. 7. I'm going to use the blue for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 10. Now we need 10. I'm going to use the red for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have all the numbers on this side. 7 plus 10. How do we figure out what the new bigger number is? We count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Some of you, I already know you're writing a 17. You remember what comes first, the 1 and then the 7. So now you know 7 plus 10 equals 17. Awesome, nice job. Okay, one of the best things about using the hundreds abacus is that we get to clear it afterwards before we do the next one. I like the way that sounds. Okay, it's cleared. Here we go. Let's find the next one. 5 plus 6. Can you find the box that says 5 plus 6? All right, let's count it out. This time, let's use the brown beads for the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how about for the 6? We use the green beads. 6. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how now on this side we have just the numbers we need? Now let's add them together and see what we get. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we know. What is 5 plus 6? 11. 1, 1. That's how easy it is to make an 11. 1, 1. Awesome job, you guys. Let's move on to the next one down here. But first, my favorite part. Let's do it. What color should I use for the 8? If I had to guess, I would say you're thinking I should use color blue. Let's do it. 8. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for the 6, because it's 8 plus 6. Here we go. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see how we counted all those at that side? Now we can count them together and find out what 8 plus 6 is. Let's do it. Do you want to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, well, it looks like I made a mistake there because 8 plus 6 is not 15. You know what? In math, sometimes you make a mistake when counting, but you know what? You can correct it. You want to help me correct it? Let's clear the board and start again. All right, let's try it again. 8 first, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now counting all together. Now help me this time so I don't make a mistake. If all my friends count with me, it's going to get, I think, the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, if you said 14, you are correct. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1, 4 makes a 14. Great job. Thanks for helping me out on that one, you guys. All right, last one in the first row. Okay, who out there thinks they know what we slide over first? If you said 7, you are correct. How about yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next number, 6. How about blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have all the yellows and all the blues on the right side. Let's count them together and find out what 7 plus 6 is. If you count with me, I hope we get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is correct. If you said 13, now you know what the number 7 plus the number 6 equals. 1, 3. We are finished with one whole side, boys and girls. Great job. If you are still working and you're still with me, you deserve a high five. Ready? 1, 2, 3. High five. All right, let's keep going. The new one up here says 5 plus 7. Oh, did you notice something? There are dots above the 5, and there are dots above the 7. What do you think that could be for? I think I know. If you didn't have Mr. Abacus from the classroom, you could use these dots to help you add the numbers. Let's try it. Let's see if there are 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a 5. Let's see if there's 7 dots over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is a 7 right there. If we count the dots together, I bet that gives us the new number. Let's do it. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you said 12, you are correct. 5 plus 7 is 12. A 12 is a 1, 2. I thought those dots were used for something. Let's make sure those dots work again, and let's do it with the 9 plus 9 problem we have next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 and 9. What could 9 plus 9 be? Let's say Mr. Abacus was taking a nap and he couldn't help us. We can use the helper dots. That's what I'm going to call them, helper dots. You count with me, we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow, that's a big number. That's almost a 20. 18 is a 1 and an 8. Now, some of you can make an 8 like that, a snowman without a head, but if you want to do the fancy 8, you can do that as well. It's up to you. But the answer is 1, 8, 18. All right, only 2 left, boys and girls. If your pencil is still writing and you're still at your table, I'm so proud of you. Let's keep going. 6 plus 5. Should we use the helper dots? Should I let you count them this time? Will you count them nice and loud? Here we go. Did you get 11? If you did, you are correct. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is a 1, 1. Pretty easy. Good job. All right, we've got one last one to go. Here, I've got an idea. Why don't you say which color of beads you would like me to finish with? For the 7, which color of beads should I use? Let me think for a minute. Is there someone out there that's thinking of green? Is there? If it is, I bet it's Emery. If I recall, green is his favorite color. Thanks for thinking of green, Emery. Let's do it. Let's count to 7 together, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now is someone thinking of a color I should use for 8? Which color do you think I should use for 8? Let me think. Is there someone out there? Is there someone out there named Max that wants me to use red? I think he does. If I recall, you love the color red. Okay, let's try it. 8 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have all the 7 greens. We have the 8 reds. If we count them together, all together the last time, we'll get the final answer. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness. 15. Can you write a 15? Let's do it together. The 1 is first, and then 5. Bam. All finished. Oh my goodness, you guys. This was a huge lesson. We did adding all the way up to almost number 20. I mean, I only have 10 fingers. Some of these answers were 17, 14, 18. Unbelievable. You guys are doing awesome at KinderLesson this week. All right, before I let you go, I want to say thank you for coming to our KinderLesson Addition to 20 worksheet, work time. Remember, if your parents are around, maybe they can find a sticker and let you put it on your paper for a good job. Let me give you another high five, hands up. Good job, you guys. Thanks for coming to KinderLesson. Stay safe, be well. Even though you're there at home and I'm here at school, we are here together learning, and we'll see you next time.